Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about gratings, spans and the surface for steel, aluminum and FRP grating. When you are laying the grating, you have to look at the span. So here is the span, and if the span is more than what is specified here, then you need to add a support. That is very important. That applies for steel and aluminum and also FRP. So for steel and aluminum, the load bar direction is very important, and the span is between the supports for the load bar. See, that's the load bar direction, and this is the support, and the span you're talking about is the distance between these 2 points where the load bar gets supported. So you can see in this case, this load bar has no support, so this is going to fail. This crossbar at the top, it has no strength. It's just to hold together the load bars. Now when it comes to FRP grating, it is a square mesh. See, this is a standard FRP grating mesh, 38 mm square. There's no load bar, so there's no specific load bar here. It is square lattice, and on top of that there is a mini mesh just to provide anti-skid. That is the construction of the FRP grating. Now there also is a span, which is very important here. So you can look at the load bar size. That is for this specific thing. The load bar means these things. Okay, so there's no specific main load bar. These are all called load bar with a depth, and then the span for that, say for a G2556 is 785. So if it's more than 785, then it requires a support. Also, as we already know, all edges require a support. For grating, all edges require support on the load bar. In this case, all load bar ends should be supported. That's what I meant. So in this case, you can see this is 752, that is 1380, 13448. There's no dominant load bar, so for an FRP grating, so that's too big. You need to add a support there. And then when you look at this one, see this load bar, there's load bar going here, load bar going there. You may say this is incorrect. For the FRP grating, there is no dominant load bar direction. So the span either that way or this way cannot be more than the catalog dimensions, which is in this case 750. So let's have a look at that one. So in this case it's 785, 990, 1035. That's the span for the FRP grating for these gratings. So here actually the span is alright, but this edge has no support. That is not okay because it's a cantilever. Basically it's a cantilever. These are things which you have to take care about this.